all the dude, how all those oh crap. Look at the magnesium flares over there. I can't even see it. It's melting in the blade. It totally got sunk.
Dude, can you twist the front of the flashlight? Yeah.
Holy crap. You realize that was a mortar shell that like blew up in the water right there?
Yeah, that was awesome.
That was like a death trap.
Oh, holy shit. That was amazing.
Oh my lord. Okay, let me find this point. That was intense.
That was quite possibly our best yet. Yeah, dude, I think that one, just that first mortar, dude, that second mortar didn't go off. Look, you can see the fuse.
Well, there's only one thing to do then, isn't there?
Yes, bring it back in and launch it.
Light it and run for your life.
Hopefully it's not wet.
I don't know. Look at all this. Look at all the spark damage to that second side over there.
Can you twist it from the flashlight again? The other way? The other way. There we go. Wow. Holy shit.
Alright. Let's do a damage assessment. See what worked.
Well, everything over here shot.
God, it just melted right through this.
It's the sparklers that did it.
Yeah.
Can you grab the tube?
Let me try here. Yeah, all that crap went off. Oh, dude, it blew up. Look, that's just the shell. It blew up. There's nothing left.
No, I'm talking about the deadly one.
Oh, I don't think it. Oh, it didn't go off.
That's because it burns, the sparklers burn straight through it.
Oh, but it's wet now. No? No, it's dry.
Well, dude, grab the tube.
Water. Oh, we're still dry. We're lighting this shit. Right over here.